Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Perfect Solution team. I am Sanjay. Now we are learning Node.js package development tutorial for beginners. This is our part number 2. Inside this video session guys, we will start package code development. Inside the first part, we had discussed and seen about the complete basic concepts about Node.js package. So from that video, we understood about package is nothing, it's a collection of files or a directory which basically develop a module. And the module in Node.js application is JavaScript files or libraries what we need for a Node application. Also we had seen that how can we create package.json file, which is more important, or it's a most important of a file of Node.js application because it contains all the configurations. So inside our first part, this is the folder structure, or this is the folder that we have created called npmjs-hello-world. Inside this folder, right now we have two files called package.json and index.js file. So right now inside our index.js file we have no code. So we are going to create our some codes inside this file and we will try to publish this means first package inside our npmjs repository. So from the Node.js playlist actually we had concept about module. So as we know that module appears to be a global object inside any Node.js application, but it's not a global object. So we are going to export some of the functions and use inside another packages. So let's say that module dot exports dot and simply let's say print console message, and it will basically a simple function. Let's say console.log. This is our first console message. Now this is the first function that is we are going to store inside module.exports, and we will publish, and after installation this package actually we will call this function. Now we are going to another define another function, something called module. Let's say exports dot simply let's say print custom console function or console message, let's say function, and inside this function we are going to pass a message argument, and let's say console.log message equal to, and we are going to concatenate with this message variable. So right now we have two functions inside index.js. The first function simply prints about the defined console message. In the second function we have to pass a custom message. It will concatenate and return inside our console. So let's say that this is our first package, actually simple package we are going to publish inside npmjs repository. This will give us about some basic functions what we have to use inside any Node application. So back to terminal. Now if I type ls, now right now we have two files called index.js and package.json. Now we have or we need a npm user account. So before that, if we check about the npm version, so let's say npm version, it will return about the package version what we have inside package.json file. So pressing enter. Now npm version command gives us about all these informations what we have inside package.json file. Now if we want to change about any of the version or any of the informations, so simply we write here let's say npm version, and here we can provide 1.0.1. it will automatically change about npm version of this Node.js package. So pressing enter. Now we have changed about our npm version. So if we type again npm version, now here inside this list actually we can find about we had successfully changed about our package version. So let's revert to the default value. So npm version something 1.0.0 as this is first stage. So we have now npm version something 1.0.0. To publish any package inside npm JS repository, we need an account. So here we have two options to create an account inside this. Firstly, either we go through some manual steps, or by going through a form we can register inside this npmjs.com. Now another way, we have some terminal commands. By the help of these commands actually we can register inside the website. So if I clear console, and we have command called npm add user. So after typing this command, if we press enter, now it will ask about username, password and the email address. So let's say username here. So if I type owthub, and here we need to provide a password. So if I type something a password, now pressing enter, now here we need to provide our email address. On this email address it will send a confirmation mail which we have to verify to publish any package inside this repository. So let's say that online web tutor hub@gmail.com, pressing enter. Now we have passed about username, password and the email address. So successfully we have registered inside our npmjs.com. Now if we check about our email address, so back here, now as we can see that we got a verification email. So click on this email, click on this link. This will basically for the verification of our account. So if we click on this sign in button, here we need to provide our user account or the username. So simply let's OWT hub, and here we need to provide our password and pressing sign in button. So now if we press on save button, click on this link again, and here as we can see that now we have successfully verified our account. So back to terminal. Now this is all about adding a user or creating any account via terminal command. So let's say that we already have an account inside our npm.js. Now if we want to log in inside our npm repository, so we have command called npm login, pressing enter. Now it will ask few questions, something called username. So let's OWT hub, password, and here is the email address, online web tutor hub@gmail.com, pressing enter. Now we can see that we are now successfully logged in inside our npm account. Now we can publish our first npm package to our npm repository. So to publish any npm package, we need to type npm and let's say publish. So if I press enter, now it will publishing, and successfully as we can see that npmjs-hello-world-owthub is now published inside our npm repository account. So if I back to Chrome browser, go inside our profile, click on packages. Now this is our first package that we had published inside npmjs.com. Inside this package we will find about the package name. This is all about description, author name, and this is our version. What we have stored all these informations inside package.json file. So if I click on this link, means our package, now here we can find all the related informations of this package. Now this is the command actually we need to copy and install inside Node.js application, something npm install, and this is all about our package name. So right now, and also these are the keywords actually what we have stored inside package.json file. Now we want to create a readme file because right now we have no readme file inside this package. So if I back to our editor and let's say that readme dot empty file. Now inside this we need to store some information, so pressing hash, and let's say that how can we install this package. So this is our first FAQ question, and remember the first hash symbol stands for h1 tag inside readme file. So let's say that simply if I copy and pasting it here, so we want command something about npm install or package name we have called. If I copy this package name, so copy that and pasting it here, or either we can see that npm I and the package name. So these are the few steps while typing this command. Actually we can install this package to any node.js application. The second question, let's say about that is how can we use this package. So for this answer, so if I copy this symbol, now this is only for the decoration purpose, so pasting it here. Now how can we actually use this package? So simply first we need to define a constant variable. Let's say that about hello world, hello, let's say world. If I define into a camel case, we need to use or require function, and inside this require function firstly we need to require our package, so copy, pasting it here. After requiring here we can simply call hello world, copy this variable name, pasting it here. And as we know that actually we had exported two functions, something called print console message and print custom console message. So simply if I copy this function name, now this is the way to call our first function. So here let's say exporting, or let's say call first function. In the second function, here we have called print console custom message, so hello world, let's say hello world dot, and inside this let's say that second message we have passed, or simply we can pass a simple message, something let's say welcome to first package. Now this is to use about our console message with custom function or the custom message, and let's say without custom message, and here let's say with custom message. Now these are the two functions actually we can use while installing this package inside any Node.js application. Now we are ready to publish this readme file. So remember, if we want to publish our any file if we have created after publishing a package, actually we need to change the version of our package. So something let's say npm, if we check about the current version, so we have right now 1.0.0. so we need to change that, so npm version something 1.0.1. now this is the updated version which contains all the files, plus we have our readme file. So if we change our version, so successfully we have changed our npm version. So for the confirmation, if I again type npm version, now we have 1.0.1. now click on npm publish command. So we are now publishing our latest package what we have developed with readme file. So successfully we have published that. So back to our npm.js site, reload this plugin. Now here we can find about our version something 1.0.1. This is the command, and here are two h1 tags about how can we install this package and how can we use this package. So these are the commands, remember, we have written, and these are the actual lines what we have defined inside our readme file. So successfully guys, inside this video we had seen that how can we create an package, publish into an npm account, and how can we create a readme file and publish some of the documents related to our npm package. So in the next video we will see that how can we install this package to our node.js application, and also how can we use inside in simple steps. So inside this video session guys, if you went out, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.